Okay, for this technique, we're going to be foam rolling from just above the kneecaps all the way up to the front of the hips. Okay? You're going to begin laying face down with one thigh on the foam roll and the other thigh crossed over top, holding yourself up on your forearms. And you're just going to gently rock back and forth along the length of the front of the thigh to soften up the quadricep muscles. You can do a little bit of rotating onto your side to just hit up some other aspects of the quadricep muscle. This technique will help to decrease excess tension in the quads. Excess tension in the quads is associated with anterior pelvic tilt or lower cross syndrome and can also drive the kneecap into the leg bones to create some knee aggravation. So it's ideal for us for posture and function and to remain pain-free to help keep the tension here normalized.